With devtodev by AppsFlyer, it's easy to understand what's happening in your app, explore user behavior, and make quick product decisions. Let's get started. Devtodev is a platform that allows you to segment users, launch push campaigns, run A/B tests, analyze user-level data, query data with SQL, and more, all within a single integrated system. After an SDK integration, which usually takes about an hour, you immediately gain access to ready-made metrics and reports that will help you improve your product. You can quickly complete the integration by connecting additional services directly. For example, App Store to enrich your user data, or AppsFlyer for marketing analytics. This allows you to enhance the SDK data, helping you build a complete view of user behavior, from acquisition to key actions like purchases. All the reports you can see in the Smart View section devtodev builds automatically, right after you've finished the basic integration. This means you do not need an analyst or a product manager to set up all of these reports. We've already calculated everything for you. Now you can easily monitor the dynamics of essential metrics, see the changes, and quickly identify their causes. If you want to dive deeper into marketing campaign analysis beyond standard metrics, you can select any target conversion event, such as adding an item to the cart for e-commerce apps, completing a tutorial, or finishing the registration process. Evaluate campaign performance not just by the number of installs, but by meaningful user actions. Better understand the full user journey and optimize your marketing strategies based on real behavior patterns. To evaluate user behavior during their first sessions, devtodev offers a dedicated onboarding report. This report visualizes the funnel of onboarding steps and shows how many users complete the onboarding process, where exactly drop-offs occur during the journey, which steps may need optimization or simplification. For example, if a significant portion of users drop off at step 6, it's a clear signal to run experiments, such as reducing the number of steps or making the onboarding process more intuitive to improve user retention early in the lifecycle. After running experiments and making product changes, you can easily apply filters by app version. This allows you to compare the current conversion rates in funnels with previous results, evaluate the effectiveness of updates or feature changes. The same version filter is available in almost all devtodev reports. You can also analyze and segment your data by acquisition channel, country, language, device type, and other key parameters. There is a variety of retention reports in the engagement section. For example, classic retention and retention to feature conversion. Let's see how many users return to our app to view another item page after they've added an item to cart. Any team member, even without technical background, can build a custom report with a simple click. Here we can see that retention is starting to drop after the second day. This is a signal to act on the problem and improve user engagement in the app. Devtodev provides a dedicated section for analyzing user payment behavior. We start with a conversion to payments report, which is built automatically and shows how many users make their first purchase and how they continue to make subsequent purchases over time. Typically, only a small percentage of users convert into a paying customer after installation. However, once a user completes the first payment, the likelihood of making further purchases significantly increases. There are dedicated charts that show on which days after installation users are most likely to make their first payment and how payment activity evolves over time. If you see that most users make their first purchase on the day of installation, it might suggest that there's no immediate need to offer additional discounts or promotions at that point. One of the most important metrics for any product is cumulative ARPU, average revenue per user. This report shows how users generate cumulative revenue over time, how quickly user acquisition costs are recovered. The chart allows you to track how much an average user pays after 10, 30, or 90 days post-installation. These insights help you evaluate both the overall potential of the project and the efficiency of your marketing campaigns. In devtodev, you can select multiple user cohorts and display them on the same chart, which is generated automatically with a basic SDK integration. This allows you to compare their behavior over time, and identify relationships between product changes and financial outcomes. Sometimes just looking at the data is not enough if you want to retain users and encourage them to spend more time and money in your app. When you are in doubt, check devtodev's RFM analysis report for ideas. We've already segmented the users by amount, frequency, and size of their payments. For example, loyal users with a lot of recent payments and users at risk, one step away from churning. You can simply select the segment and engage them right from devtodev interface by sending them a push notification. No additional tools required. Push notification campaigns can be created directly in devtodev without any additional integrations. You can use all the user data already collected, such as country, device type, last activity date, and more. Set up either one-time campaigns or triggered campaigns. Send notifications at the right moment. For example, when a user has been inactive for 5 days, or when a user adds an item to the cart but doesn't complete the purchase. Push campaigns can be launched within just a few minutes. All data on sent push notifications is available directly within the devtodev interface. You can easily track how many users received the notification, how many clicked on it, how key metrics changed after the push was sent. There's no need to export data or use external tools. All campaign analysis is built into devtodev. You can quickly set up A/B tests without any additional integrations. The process is simple. Select the target audience. Define the goal of the test, for example, improving the purchase conversion rate. The platform will automatically split users into groups. Calculate results with statistical significance. All test management and result analysis are handled directly within devtodev. In the Users section, you have access to a full list of all users of your app. You can quickly filter users based on any event, such as users who added an item to the cart, users who made a purchase, users who viewed an item page. Each user has a detailed profile card, which consists of 2 parts. On the left side, you can see all user properties such as installation date, last activity date, number of sessions, payments made, device type, region, ad views, and other attributes. On the right side, a complete list of all user actions and events with detailed parameters. You can easily filter all events performed by a specific user. For example, view all item page views. Track what actions the user took after viewing an item page. This type of analysis often provides valuable insights. Sometimes reviewing the behavior of just 10 to 20 users from the same segment is enough to identify patterns and build hypotheses for improving the user experience and optimizing the product. Each user profile in devtodev also includes a Payments tab. Here you can view all payments and subscriptions made by the user, dates, amounts, and statuses of each transaction. This detailed information is particularly useful for support teams, allowing them to quickly understand a user's situation and provide faster, more effective assistance. If standard reports are not enough, devtodev offers a powerful report section for building custom analytics. Here you can select any metric you need, apply different types of visualizations, charts, tables, funnels, add filters and segmentations to your reports. For example, you can build a registration funnel like account creation, adding an item to the cart, completing a purchase. This helps you clearly identify where users drop off during the journey and pinpoint stages that need optimization. Creating these funnel reports takes just a few clicks. No complex setup required. For advanced users, devtodev provides the ability to write SQL queries directly against raw event data. Quickly build custom reports tailored to your specific needs. Aggregate and process data based on any conditions. Visualize the results right within the platform. Any SQL report you create can be saved and added to your dashboards for ongoing tracking and analysis. In devtodev, you can create custom dashboards tailored to different tasks. Monitoring high-level metrics, tracking the performance of marketing campaigns, analyzing specific product features. Dashboards allow you to add widgets from different types of reports. You can comment on any widget in a devtodev dashboard to enhance collaboration. Leave notes directly on widgets. Start discussions with your team inside the platform. Highlight areas that require attention or further analysis. This makes team collaboration around data much easier and helps accelerate decision-making. Dev2Dev is a platform that allows you to launch analytics quickly, gather complete and reliable data without heavy development efforts, segment users, run push campaigns, conduct A/B tests, all within a single system. Book a product demo with us to discuss how Dev2Dev can help your product grow.